Staying organized can be a major hassle. How do you find time to do the schedule and the dishes and the laundry and the keeping everything organized and stuff? What if I told you that what I'm about to tell you is going to change everything? If you're looking to get organized, this video is for you. I'm going to break down 4 things you need to know before you get started organizing anything. I'm Janelle. I'm a professional organizer and a productivity-obsessed entrepreneur. My mission is to help you add structure to your life and create peace and space in your days like never before. So let's get started. I have 4 tips for you today, and the last one is a big one. But first, and very important to know, number 1, peace is a process. Having a magically organized home system in place is not typically something that happens overnight. Aww. It is something that can happen in a day. However, just know that organized habits are typically built over time, and they do take practice. But that's precisely why I'm here. I hope you're subscribed and receiving notifications when I post new videos to this channel every week, because I want you to stay in it with me and build your new, refreshed, put together and peaceful home video by video. Over time, expect that you might have to revisit and re-tidy the same spaces in your home, revisit the same cabinets and drawers and shelves to recreate order and reestablish systems that you've put into place. Organization, peace of mind, and productivity is a journey, and you will be so glad when you get there. And I am so glad that you have come to the right place to do that. All right, number 2, curate your space. Curate. The official definition is to select, organize, and look after or present the items in a collection or exhibition. Or in other words, your home, your room, your office, your bathroom, your space can be fully customizable to your liking. You can personalize how you create an organization system according to your personality. On this channel, I show you how I do things in the best, most efficient, and fun ways that I know how. And I also go into detail on some personal systems that I use every day to stay organized. But more than anything, I want your space to work for you. You have it all within your power to curate an environment that serves you and that makes you happy. And that's what it's all about. I want to pass this question off to you. What is one moment in your life where you were the most proud of something that you accomplished? Tell me in the comments and hit the like button if you're finding this video useful. The 3rd tip might be a little surprising, and that is communication, communication, communication. I can't tell you how liberating and empowering it is when you are communicating transparently and honestly with yourself and people around you about the life that you are trying to build. It can spark accountability and sometimes actually gives the people around you an opportunity to be a part of your growth. And it can actually inspire them to turn their lives around for the better. So I hope that you share this video with someone that you know who would love to or might have been meaning to get organized. Okay, last tip is a big one. And if you're getting value from this, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay notified when I post a video every week to help you get organized and create productivity in your life. This tip is to set tangible goals and mark your progress along the way. Grab a to-do list like Microsoft To Do, which I use daily, or grab a planner like this one from Tool, which can be found at Office Depot. I use these tools all the time to set goals and stay on top of my schedule and day-to-day productivity. Feel free to click the link in the description for my favorite planner. Check out the YouTube card and the links below for what to watch after this to get organized. Think about who you can share this video with, and I will see you next week.